My name is Andrew Krakouer, and today I'm at the Royal Botanical Gardens, Melbourne, on the lands of the Kulin Nations, where I sometimes come to watch the swans. Today I'm reading a story about a little swan called Yabini. This book is special to me because it's written in two languages, English and Noongar. Ninni Yabini, written by Cheryl Kickett-Tucker and illustrated by Tyrown Waigana. Before I begin, I would like to acknowledge the traditional owners on the lands of which we work and learn and pay my respects to elders past and present. Let's begin. Bal Jilba Nganap. It was the end of spring. Ngank Bal Kundat Bakin. The sun poked through the clouds. Balyan Bat Jabalarin Bunja. Dew dripped from the reeds. Mort Yonga Yakin, Wank Jalin, Bilya Kep Nyara. A family of kangaroos stood still with their ears pricked, listening to the sound of water running down the river. Murich Marbat where Ngank, Barduk, Barlabin, Kulak, Ninni were channeling. Nearby, Marley and Jidda sat proud, looking at their nest.